Good morning, students. In this series, we have been doing pronouns. So, we have done till now subjective pronoun and objective pronouns, and now today we are going to discuss about possessive pronouns. So, what are possessive pronouns? Pronouns that indicates possession are called possessive pronouns. Possession means ownership of having something with you permanently. Okay, possessive pronouns show that something belongs to someone or something. They can either come before or after the noun of possession. They make sentences shorter and easier to say. Now see in this example, possessive pronouns. Number 1, look at the example. That pen is my pen, not your pen. Now, what we are observing here? Pen has come thrice, 3 times it has come. The sentence is correct, but not natural. It is not sounding natural because we are repeating the noun pen. So, avoid this repetition. How we can write this sentence? You can see the correct see the last line now. That pen is mine, not yours. So we have replaced to pen with mine and yours. Now this sentence is also correct, but it is better than the above one. Okay. Now see next one. Words which we use as possessive pronoun: mine, ours, yours, hers, his, theirs. See, this is the list how one word changes into another, like I becomes my and mine. So my and mine here are possessive pronoun. You, yours, yours. He, his, his. She, hers, her, hers. It, its, and in the last sentence word also it's remain same. And one thing you have to keep in mind that in this its we do not put apostrophe sign. Okay. We, are, ours, they, their, theirs. Now here Drew is the name of a person. Only with the person's name we can put apostrophe s. Now see example. John's watch was very expensive. Here you can see apostrophe s is there. To show that watch belongs to John, we use an apostrophe and that is s. Now look at these dialogues which are indicating these men. Let us practice. Is this my cup of water? Now here my is underlined, so this is possessive pronoun. No, I don't think so. Next. Oh, where is mine then? Here again mine is possessive pronoun. I think it is theirs. I think it is theirs. So theirs is possessive pronoun. Here it has been repeated. Yours is over there. Okay, yours is over there. Now look at this example. I met a friend of mine. Here in this sentence, mine word is possessive pronoun. Okay. Now let us practice some more. That lipstick is hers. So hers is indicating the possessiveness of lipstick with hers, with a girl. Okay. That sports car is his. Okay. Here possession of sports car is being shown by using word his. This money is mine, not yours. Okay. Doctor is ours, not theirs. Now Here you can see possessive pronouns have been described one by one. Now look at few examples. My. My describes something that belongs to me and it must be followed by a noun. Like, see the example. These are my rings. So after my, ring word is coming. So ring is a noun. This way it has been followed by a noun. Now mine. Mine describes something that belongs to me. Here again same line is written, but what is the difference? It takes the place of the noun it possesses. Okay, so the keys are mine. Okay, the keys are mine. Here in place of keys, mine has been used. Okay, otherwise it would have been the keys are mine keys. Okay, that looked awkward. That's why to make it easy and more natural, we have made it the keys are mine. Okay, same way you can see these examples. Now let us see how we can use these in the sentences. Number one, look at the line. A possessive pronoun replaces a noun and demonstrate possession. It means it shows possession of the thing. Now see number one, this book is, it can be mine, his, hers, ours, yours, theirs. Okay, any of these words we can use according to the sense of sentence. And here it is written again how it changes. She changes into hers, he changes into his, it its, I mine, you yours, we ours, they theirs. Okay, now see the next sentence. If you want to stop the car, push its brake. Okay, so here we are talking about brake. Is this his, hers, ours, yours, mine? Okay, is this? It means we are talking in a short way. Someone is showing something and talking this. Is this his? Is this yours? Is this ours? Okay, this way we can frame the sentences using possessive pronouns. Now, here we have exercise which you have to do on your own. Okay, this is your homework. So that's all for now. I suppose this concept is clear to you. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Yes, students, let us practice these possessive pronouns through our exercise part also. Let us see page number 4, part A. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A giraffe is a wild animal. Dash neck is very long. So for the animals and things we can use its. So what will come here? Its. A monkey lives on the trees. Its favorite food is banana. Okay. Number 3 is dash shoes are new. I bought them yesterday. So you have two options and your and my. So what will come? My shoes. Next 4. He fell into a ditch. Dash shirt got dirty. So he will replace here into his. Lisa is my friend. Dash mother is a doctor. Here Lisa is a girl. So for Lisa, her will come here. Okay. Number 6 is Mala and Mita are hungry. Dash food is on the table. So here you have two options, his and their. So there will come. In the same way you have to do next two also. Now look at part B. Fill in the blanks using my, your, his, her, their, are, its. Number 1. I lost my whistle. Do you have dash whistle? So, do you have my? Here in the beginning, I was there. So, I has replaced in my while making possessive pronoun. Whose dress is this? This dress belongs to Astha. It is her dress. Okay, so her is possessive pronoun. Number 3, this is my parrot. Dash beak is large and its wings are colorful. So again, it's an animal. For animal and birds, we use its. In the same way, you have to do rest of the part of exercise also. Now see, let's write. It was show and tell day. In Ritu's class, everybody brought their favorite things to show their friends. Fill in the blanks with my, their, his and her to know what everyone brought. I brought dash favorite book. So here will come I, my. Okay, with I, my. Ria and Rahul brought their. Okay, 2 people are here. So for them we'll use their as possessive pronoun. Number 3 is Raghu brought dash favorite game. So Raghu is the third person which we are talking about. So here for Raghu, male person, we will use his. Rashmi brought dash cat. Rashmi is a girl. Okay, for her, we will use her cat. Her fur was soft and brown. Okay, so for cat, we have used here her. So for the animals and birds which we show with which we show our relativity, we can use either its or her also. Here we have used her. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you.